In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Manychat, an incredibly powerful tool that helps streamline communication with your audience. Now let's dive into the process step by step so you can start building those valuable connections. First things first, head over to Manychat's website. If you're not already familiar, Manychat is a platform that simplifies the management of chatbot interactions. It's a great resource for engaging with your audience and, as we'll see today, for collecting emails. Once you're on the Manychat homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and click on that sign in button you find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat home screen. This is your control center where you manage all your chatbot activities. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab on the side menu. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the layout as it will make navigating the platform much smoother and more intuitive in the future. With that sorted, let's move on to setting up a new automation, which is the heart of this email collection process. Look for and click on the New Automation button. This is where the magic happens. Manychat automation allows you to specify actions your chatbot will take, guiding your users and capturing their emails efficiently. Once you click on New Automation, you'll be prompted to start creating a new workflow. In this case, we'll be starting from scratch. Click on Start from Scratch to initiate a blank canvas for your automation. This approach provides the flexibility to tailor the flow exactly to your needs without the constraints of pre-built templates. Now, why is starting from scratch preferred? It allows you to customize the flow to fit your specific goals and brand voice. You can be creative and really personalize the experience for your audience. As you design your flow, consider the user journey you wish to map out. For instance, how will you introduce the request for their email? What value proposition will you present to encourage them to share that information willingly? Remember, collecting emails isn't only about having another contact detail, it's about establishing a line of communication that can be leveraged for further engagement and value provision. Make sure you articulate why users should share their email addresses, perhaps offering exclusive content or promotions as an incentive. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up an email collection flow in Manychat. It's a skill that, once mastered, can significantly enhance your marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to explore more functionalities within Manychat as you grow more comfortable. Until next time, happy chatting.